In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in GoCharting software. If you spend a lot of time analyzing charts, switching to a dark interface can make your workspace easier on the eyes, improve contrast, and help you focus on your data without glare. Start by opening the GoCharting terminal in your web browser. You can head to the GoCharting website and open any chart or market you follow. The exact symbol doesn't matter. What does matter is that you're on the main charting terminal, where you can see your price chart, tools, and the control bars around the canvas. Give the page a second to fully load so all interface elements appear. Next, look toward the bottom area of the terminal for the theme control. Depending on your screen size and current layout, it may appear as a small sun or moon icon, a palette icon, or a button labeled theme. It typically sits on the bottom toolbar alongside other quick access options. If you don't immediately spot it, widen your browser window or zoom out slightly until the full bottom bar becomes visible. Once you find the theme control, click it to open the theme menu. In the theme menu, select Dark Theme. One click is all it takes. The interface will switch instantly. The chart background, toolbars, menus, and panels will adopt darker tones, while candles, indicators, and drawings adjust to maintain good visibility. Your data, drawings, and layouts are unaffected. This change is purely visual, so you can keep working exactly where you left off, just with a more comfortable color scheme. If the interface doesn't change right away, give the page a moment or refresh your chart tab and try again. Some browsers delay style updates if the page is still loading. Also, keep in mind that theme preferences are often stored in your layout or browser storage. If you clear cookies, switch devices, or use a private window, you may need to select Dark Theme again the next time you open the terminal. That's all there is to it. Open the GoCharting terminal, click the theme control at the bottom, and choose Dark Theme. It's a quick adjustment that can make long sessions of charting, backtesting, or monitoring markets much more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new eye-friendly GoCharting workspace.